Mother and sister to be this independent celebrity in her own right. She is an it girl.
But how would Kate's younger sister cope with this instant fame? In April 2012, Kate hit the headlines, photographed in a car in Paris with a French aristocrat. Vicomte Arthur de Sucre and a man brandishing a fake knife
Both have
escaped
itches.
paparazzi.
And then the photographs then emerged of what Kate had been doing the night before.
Tyler.
With
He's
this
trying to get her up.
secret party, and everyone started to be rather critical of her.
Good evening, Peanuts. What do you see
Evie.
on the screen there?
There we go. No.
It was a
No, you're
wonderful
going.
burlesque party, very
No.
colourful, very
Butthead.
I really think she's
loose,
worn out.
really. But the truth is, for the sister of the future
He's
king,
not.
There he goes.
such a
He's
party,
not.
it did raise our eyebrows.
Can I ask you about your big red dog?
Tomorrow is Kate's 30th birthday. He took her out effortlessly in his own fashion label. His London friends make up his apartment.
It makes it funny because there's bugs sliding on the floor. Don't run over my feet. Ow. You really get paint everywhere.
Wears Chanel cuffs and writes columns for a pet magazine of the Velvet Affair.
Was it funny, Sam?
Can I put this on the YouTube?
She's teasing him.
Can I put this on the YouTube?
I don't care.
Don't run over my feet. Ow. My feet. My feet.
What's so funny?
Haha. My feet.
Tyler and Evie.
What's so funny?
They're trying to play together. They're funny.
I can watch too.
Don't step on my feet. My feet. Ha.
You're in the way.
My feet. Really?
Well, they're both your dog.
At the moment.
That is hilarious.
Really?
Can I pet
Go over the
Tyler?
butthead. I want my feet back. I said I want my feet back. Thank you.
Tyler!
You find a playmate. You find a
Tyler!
playmate. There he is.
They both just want attention. Can't go over my feet. My feet.
It's funny,
My
Sam.
feet.
Uh-oh, they got
My
you.
feet. Tyler.
Tyler!
My feet. Ha ha ha.
My feet too.
Hey, you have your own feet.
Oh.
You may not know, but your mouth is under attack. Food particles infiltrate, and bacteria.
Girl, don't do that.
You're going to get bit again if you keep messing with the dog's mouths.
With Fix-It, the adhesive helps create a boost.
He's like, get up and play.
Why is pasta? He wants to feel.
Yeah, it's. No, it's not. Tyler, be easy, man. How long is the video already?
4 minutes.
Really, Tyler? You can quit that now.
He's protecting her.
What do you mean?
When he stands over her like that,
They're boyfriend and girlfriend now too?
looks like it.
Let's get rid of her then and keep Tyler. Don't.
That would probably be
Ow!
ideal, but not possible. He doesn't know which way to go to get her. He didn't know which way to go to get her.
I think she's trying to hide out from him.
Really? Is that why she's coming to see where he's at and what he's doing?
Oh, okay.
That was my shirt. Can you leave my shirt alone?
He is. He's protective of her.
Really now?
Mm-hmm.
Well, how many boyfriends does she have now?
2.
I thought, another one was.
Mm-hmm. Go around, Tyler. Goofy dog. That's a protective measure.
That looks like a shirt you used to have.
That looks like
That
what?
I used to have?
Uh-huh.
I've had this one for years.
Huh?
I've had this one for years.
In a minute. You can put the video in. Baby boy.
You got my slippers. Oh, baby, you got my slippers. I put them down. Oh, he's tackled her.
Like I said, he's being protective of her.
Thank you so much, Sam. Sam has been so good today, and he's minded so much. He gets to play outside tomorrow.
That's what he was doing.